How to share your stories on Instagram only with specific people always. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share your stories with specific users or your friends on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Go to your profile. Click on those three lines up there and click on setting. Now click on the third choice, which is privacy, and scroll down. Click on stories. You have the second option, which is close friends. Click on those 0 people and click on search and add the users you want to share the story with them. This is it. This is how you choose to share only with specific people your story. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.